Lake Jed Johnson. Been out kayaking. Bill has been watching me, sitting there in the chair, making sure I came back. Very appreciative of that. So thought we'd just take a little picture here. Know how to use that zoom on the top? There's a little bitty zoom trigger on the top, which you rock it back and forth. The tower, and paddled around the tower. Then I scared away a few birds, a turtle here and there, and stopped over by the tower and stuck the pole in the ground and deep in the water to see how deep it is. So there's a landing spot over by the tower that's about, you can get a kayak up to it, and there's a stone shelf on the bottom of it about maybe 5 foot down, goes all the way up, a few steps coming up, but once upon a time it was probably a landing point. But anyway.
I'm turning it off.
Huh? Pardon?
I'm turning it off.
Keep shooting it. Just keep shooting it. Don't be careful you don't fall when you back up.